Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to design the packaging design by using Pacdora website. Pacdora is an online packaging design tool that integrates editing, 3D preview, rendering, and exporting into one single web product. Designers no longer need to purchase and install multiple softwares, and all the work can be done in a browser. So friends, this is the Pacdora website. Using the website, you can easily create packaging dielines, 3D modeling and much more. Here you can find more than 2,000 customs packaging, dielines and mock-up. So today I'm going to design a packaging design. For that, first go templates and dielines. After that, you'll get lots of templates and dielines. And then you need to select the best one for you. Today's I'm designing pouches packaging. So select the pouches, after that I can various pouches templates and dielines. So I select this templates for today's packaging design. After that, you will see this home page. From here you can download various files like PDF, AI, and DXF, but you need to premium subscription. To get 50% discount on Pacdora premium subscription, use this code, and I also provides Pacdora website link in my video description. So I am downloading AI version of the dielines. This is the dieline that I have downloaded. Here is given all info about the dielines. Take the dieline above from the artboard, and do release clipping mask. Now delete the background, as well as others parts. Okay, that's good. So this is our dieline. We have to design in dieline. Friends, I have already put my packaging design materials here. Now I will design my packaging. So friends, I have designed the package. Now I have to save it high quality JPEG. After saving the design file, again go back to Pacdora website. Now go Workbench to find your design templates. This is our design templates. So click on Design. After that, you will find this page, and you can see your packaging without design. Now click on Design Mode. After that, you can see the die line of your design. From the left top corner, upload your package design which you have designed. Now place your design accurately on the die line. Okay, that's good. I think my design is perfectly placed. Now go Mockup mode, and see your design with Mockup. Wow, this is very nice. We can also add some feature on this design. Select material and color from top left side. Now you can easily change background color. And also change material. There are many material, you can check it which is perfect for you. I think this one is perfect for me. You can also animate your product from here. There are several animation effects in their website, you can use one of them which you like. You can also do 3D modeling of your product. So select 3D modeling. And click on 3D modeling center. After that, you will find lots of 3D modeling presentation here. You can use one of them. After select best one. You can now render it, also you can select the render resolution. So friends, this is how you can easily design your product packaging by Pacdora. They offers you lots of way to design packaging, 3D modeling and much more. So friends, visit the website and explore your design.